Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and a lot of people have been asking me if there is an equivalent page for known issues that Windows 10 has, but in Windows 11. So in Windows 10, I've shown you quite a few times in the past year a web page. It's actually maintained by Microsoft that updates regularly with the latest information about known issues that the operating system might have, and the state of that known issue. Is it fixed? Is they're investigating? There's some mitigation depending on the type of problem that is there. So indeed, Microsoft does have a Windows 11 equivalent page that you can check out for known issues. Now, keep in mind that the known issues page there kind of differs from sometimes the known issues that people are having, but that Microsoft hasn't yet acknowledged. It takes time sometimes for Microsoft to acknowledge certain things. But what is there is acknowledged, and they know that there's a problem with that. So I'm going to share this page with you guys. This is the page where you'll actually end up. You have the known issues, you have updates as the status of the Windows 11 rollout, how it's going, and so on. And of course, they have a list after that of all the issues that there could be or that are resolved. So depending on what there is, so for example, mitigated here, confirmed compatibility issues been found with Oracle VirtualBox, and so on. The list right now isn't very big, but it will definitely go, grow longer and have more details if something's happening. So you have here December 2021, which is what they have as resolved. And each month they will give you a little bit of information of what they found and what they fixed or mitigated, which means it's not necessarily fixed, but they found a way to still make it work or make it work halfway. So that page is to look at if anything bad really seems to happen. If you hear a higher number of people complaining about problems, just check this page, and at some point it might be updated with known issues. Typically, if you look every month, there should be some added information about things they might have fixed, or things that they are looking at, investigating, and trying to find out what could be the problem. So the link is in the description below this video, and you can just click there and check out the known issues that are on Windows 11. And if you have a Windows 10 machine, it's quite easy to go to the Windows 10 one. Look on the left side, you have a menu. You have the Windows 10 known issues that are also here that you can click on and have, depending on the version that you want to click on, the information about what is going on with these versions. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.